No one likes a control freak, but when you are running an AV system, you'd better make sure you have the right controls in place. HDBT transmits control interfaces such as RS-232, CEC, and IR over 100 meters of category cable. Let's start with RS-232. RS-232 is a serial communication transmission standard for data, often used to connect AV components to automation and control systems. HDBT transmits and receives RS-232, but doesn't support flow control. It supports received data, transmitted data, and grounding. In HDBT products that are manufactured according to Spec 1.0, RS-232 is transmitted as pass-through of sampled channel, up to 115 kilobits per second baud rate, which is reproduced in the HDBT receiver. But wait, there is a caveat. If the product supports low-power switching mode, the system switches to power save mode to comply with green regulations. And then the baud rate is limited to 9.6 kilobits per second, since RS-232 as a standard does not support dynamic baud rate changes. In Spec 2.0, in addition to pass-through, vendors can also pre-configure the UART baud rate for optimal data transfer, providing a better solution for RS-232 as the same baud rate is available both for low power and during regular HDBT operating mode. Both the transmitter and the receiver must be pre-configured for the same baud rate. Otherwise, the system will not work. Moving on to CEC, Consumer Electronics Control, the control protocol found in HDMI. CEC is a one-wire bidirectional serial communication standard. When extending the HDMI signal with HDBT, CEC is pass-through as well. Even though vendors can manipulate the CEC signal, HDBT is only the pipeline here. Last, let's talk about CIR, Consumer Infrared Control. The infrared signal is made up of two parts: the carrier signal, with a clock frequency in the range of 38 kHz and higher, and the data signal, with low frequency of up to 10 kHz. IR is transmitted both over the air and over an HDBT channel. Over the air, the signal is transmitted from the light emitter to light receiver. Over HDBT, the signal is transmitted from the IR receiver to the IR transmitter. HDBT extends the range after receiving the signal. What's important to know is that there are two types of IR signals supported by HDBT, Type A and Type B. In Type A, only the data is passed through, and the carrier is filtered out before it's transmitted over the HDBT channel, and then remodulated at the IR transmitter before going out over the air. In Type B, both the carrier and the data signals are transmitted through the HDBT channel, so there is no need to remodulate it. In any AV installation, it's important to make sure that the same type of IR is used by the HDBT transmitter and receiver to make sure it will work. Understanding which controls are supported by the equipment being installed will smooth the way for an easy-to-control system.